Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are given a question: construct a cycloid using diameter 50 mm. So now we are going to draw our straight line first and pick our set square. Draw the middle line. So they gave us diameter of 50 mm. So our radius is going to be 25 mm. So pick 25 mm radius on our ruler. So we draw this radius of 25 mm. Using thin lines to be dividing our circle into 12 equal parts. If you still find it difficult to divide a circle into 12 equal parts, you can check from my previous videos. I posted it there. So we label our divided circle. This is 0.0, this is 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is 0/12. So what we are going to be doing next, we are going to be projecting horizontal lines straight from point 6. Project our horizontal line, move to point 5 and 7. Point 5 and 7. The horizontal line. Point 8 and 4 are also meeting. So project. Then we move to point 10 and 2. Project our line, and then point 1 and 11 and point 0. So now we have projected our horizontal lines. We are now going to pick our compass using this length. That's any of this length you would like to use, whether 0 and 1 or 11 and 12, all are equal. You place it at this place, pick your points. You are going to be picking 12 points. So this is 1, 2, 12. So we have picked our 12 points, so we'll label it. This 0 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now we are going to be drawing vertical lines from those points we have picked. So from point 1, draw a vertical line up. So we have divided our line into 12 equal parts. What we are going to be doing next, we are going to be picking our points. That's our line, the cycloid. So we pick our point 0 first, taking those places out, our point 12 and our point 6 up here. So now we'll pick our compass. From you pick the radius of the circle. You pick the point on your compass. This is the center of the circle. So this is the C0, this is C1, this is C2, C3, C4, 7 and C12. So you are working with this center of the circle, this center line here. So from point C1, using the radius of the circle, don't forget, you mark your point 1. This is point 1. This line 1 here, you are going to mark it. Then you move to C2. Point 2, this is 2 here. This line, you mark it. You move to C3. This is line 3 here. You mark it. Then you move to C4. This is line 4. So you mark it. Then you move to C5. Then you move to C5. This is line 5. you mark it. Then we move to C6. Okay, we have gotten our point C6, which is at the edge here. So move to C7. This line is point 5 and 7, line 5 and 7, so we mark it also like this. Then we move to C8. 4 and 8, we mark this place. Then we move to C9. Then we pick C9. This is line 9, so we pick C9. Then move to C10. This is 10, so we pick it. Move to C11. This is the 11 and 1 line, so we also pick the point here. So now we are going to be showing all those points. These are the points here. These are the points where it is cutting the line. So these are the points. So now to draw our cycloid, we can either use our broom, we can use a French curve, or we can use a flexible ruler. But in this video I'm going to be using a French curve to draw it. This is our cycloid. So if you find this video helpful, kindly drop a subscribe and also hit the thumbs up button. Thank you for watching.